How to use Kraken Pro's advanced charting tools. First of all, open the Kraken Pro app and go to the Markets section. Next, select the trading pair you want to analyze, such as BTC or USD, by tapping on it. This will open the trading screen with charts and market data. On the trading screen, you will see the advanced chart displaying price movements over time. You can zoom in and out of the chart using pinch gestures to focus on different time frames like minutes, hours, or days. Use the Tools menu to add indicators like moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands to help analyze trends and momentum. Switch between different chart types such as candlestick, line, or bar charts to suit your trading style. You can also view the order book, depth chart, and recent market trades right next to the chart for better market insight. Take advantage of drawing tools to mark support and resistance levels or trend lines directly on the chart. Now you know how to use Kraken Pro's advanced charting tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.